him 1,000. Master God.
Go change all your teeth.
They don't plant in coming.
Don't forget dentures, man.
Me a bite, me can't bite phone. Me alright with the two teeth.
No. Here what the future. Let me tell you what the future gonna look like, Pokey. We're gonna be at a big table. Everybody gonna have on them tuxedo. And you're gonna have on a nice white dress. We're gonna be drinking at this big table in this big mansion. Me see it on my vision, you know. And you're gonna be beautiful. Your hair's gonna be done. You're gonna have pearl necklace. You know the queen them looking at the gang movie. I saw it, I go look. And we're gonna have this big mansion, you know. And you're gonna be nice and bright and go there in a tuxedo and everybody I go there on the table and we eat and I laugh. I said, look how far away there now. And all of the fans are going in the room. Me see it, you know.
You want so far?
And your teeth are going to fix. I'm going to change python teeth too. My dream in life, if I have a text for my money, there's 2 people who are going to fit them teeth. And we're going to have a fundraiser. And if your teeth break, we're going to fix for you too. Yeah, man. Because I have 2 in the back of me who want to fix. So everybody in the crew, let me see your teeth. You good?
Yeah, man, good.
You want some?
Yeah, man, want some.
You want teeth too? Yeah. Okay, everybody will get teeth. So Pokey, Mama, because the people them love us so much,
man,
we do the car thing, that's a smart thing.
Give me my phone there. Give me my phone.
Right?
One lady want to come in at this thing, and the big fan England, I tell her that, now let me out, tell her, man.
We're going to raise money for buy a Good Life car. Come down here, rent car and I waste my credit card. Now go up now there. I'm going to check with time. You see me?
You can't have a good life car. You don't buy it.
But you're going to drive it out, Pokey. You're going to mash it up.
Drive out, boy, you idiot. You don't buy it. I don't hate my own.
We're going to get you a Good Life car.
Oh, me girl, me.
Who you send? You see a pretty person.
Yeah. I send off on your phone and I send me a pass me party, your phone and I work with them every one.
Look at that. I focus on the big picture. Everybody don't get one phone.
Hello, what going on?
You see a good phone out there.
Man, you don't see me around there.
And the good phone, it costs too much money.
See, me, I talk to him, tell him to put you up on it.
This is your daughter?
Annie Beck.
Hello, Randy.
What go on? Where you live?
We spoke.
This is who?
We spoke already.
You say you spoke already.
Repeat that.
I want pot roast, and if you want it on the grill, you get it same way. And also some nice fried fish behind it. And if you want some fried fish behind it, you get it too. Huh? What you said?
I said, have you been out today?
Yes, I'm gonna get your shower right now. I'm not making Randy take up my time. Yes, my boss. Aye, boss, you know, Randy, boss again. Alright, boss, alright, sorry.
Randy, I sell out, you know. Randy, I sell out, yeah. I sell out.
The rum I get to me now.
Yeah, man.
The rum I get to me
Drinking
now.
white rum, boss. Alright, rum, Randy can't hungry.
Yeah, I sell out, yo.
White rum, hungry, boss. Hey, no, man. Remember, I'm not in the cold. I'm in the heat. Don't stop me trying to hurt me. Oh, my God. So you're good, though? Oh, my God. I can't wait to see you, brother.
You need to come to Jamaica.
Wait.
Alright, we will talk.
Okay, trust the man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Are you related to Freddie McGregor?
You know, I think we are some long distance cousin.
He's a donkey and he's a horse.
Yeah, man.
Love, my brethren, love. See you later. One is a donkey, one is a horse. This is so powerful to see you guys. It's such a pleasure
To meet you again.
to see you again, the Queen of Jamaica, in them shorts and them shoes. Look for Pokemon, I tell you, so the people I love who don't like cook food.
See what that? It's the last night the man come wake me up. I see how my face run.
Me see video. Me see video. Me see video last night. We're on the left road last night. You only go last night. You can trip back a hotel.
Where are fry?
Fritters right now.
On fritters?
Yes.
You have saltfish tonight?
Yeah, we are sorry.
What you have tonight?
We have fish. Fish over there, sir.
Just flour and fish we don't eat with.
Fish I just flour with, oh, I know fritters then.
Of course. You don't have to put fish in there.
A flour.
When they start flour,
You have to go put some cornmeal in it.
it's so
Yeah, man.
Give me the fish. Yeah, when you finish. You finish. So my onion cook and something. No know much, no know onion. This
I set me up. You see?
Randy had to put
I'm
the girl
smart, you know.
Yeah, they ask me about the girl now.
Yeah.
Mistake, send it by your phone.
Yeah, who that girl there?
The girl I know, you have a boat out at sea.
Mm-hmm.
So normally she buy chicken from me like then time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my
She
God.
like
Mariam, what's your name?
oh shit, me don't remind you. Anyway,
Let me see.
by moving and moving on the phone, you get mistakes and you have fire phone.
So, she buy your goods?
Yeah, man, he's supposed
She
to
love
be
you?
mad.
So she's
Me ask
single?
him if yeah, and he sing too.
She's single?
No,
Oh. But she like to mingle.
he like to support.
So make me come over and jingle with her, no?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, phone. Yeah.
Oh yeah, serving before you give me a piece of the thing. You mustn't make lazy people eat nothing, you know. Me hold it beside my two finger, me have my rum finger, and then me have my fritters finger. Put it between the fritters finger then. Palm to you, my youth. See it there? Mm-hmm. You see my fish finger free. Bring the fish, come through.
What would the joke between your fingers, man?
Why you have to give me the hot one, master? Why you have to give me the hot one? Some people are punishing me now.
Mayoka, she know.
Mayoka?
She sing, you know.
She sing?
Yeah,
So she know about Jamaica Good Life?
Me not think so.
But she bring up on the boat now.
Yeah, at that one next
Call her,
thing
no?
again. But me call him, I'm not get
Can
him.
I bush you?
One of these sitting there where the tourists and go pan.
Yeah. Catamaran.
Hmm?
Catamaran.
Well, me don't know my name. I'm not about people, but me know about people send me Poker Road.
Yeah, catamaran.
You ready for your chicken? When you ready, man, it's in.
Yeah, catamaran. Yeah, black.
You like cooking at the sun?
I like cooking and son. No, I'm working on a choice right now. And this food have to cook. No. So just do it. Work with it. You know?
Tell them what going on with me over there, so.
I can't speak in peace still, but that don't make no sense.
No. That's what you're saying.
They're too short.
No, man,
Because you say saying come to spend a time.
No, I said Trinidad will show.
The party up, so that I think.
Yeah, and then I said that he say my bill and crow. You know, say mission I go and same way.
Yeah, like that. Me know like that.
So I'll
Many times we know
no,
that.
no, you're saying.
Yeah.
But we can agree with it because we never spending time with it.
One
Gain
of
the
them,
knowledge.
That's true.
So we have to look on the value we give you,
That the man, the woman, the one with
So watch out now. You see next time you come, you see how you feel now. So we can feel if you go to next place.
Alright, cool now, man.
They are good.
Yeah.
I say nothing. I don't hear. I went finally.
This your fish here? I'm glad some never gonna.
You know, no weapon in island. You know, go and buy one fish.
The fish are nice, you know, Brethren?
What me say to you?
Yeah, man. Poke make a season and me watch it. Turn it back, huh? Me put in and make a pot and me flip it.
Joanne.
Listen, poke seasoning. Poke seasoning.
No. Poke make the season and me season it. Okay. Rub it on it. And put in a pot and flip it and take out it.
Oh, we get the credit.
Huh?
What we get the credit?
The fish we get the credit because the fish nice.
See something I will say.
Right, that's a pocket.
You say 2.5. You fear? Okay. 3 grand. Eh?
Elvis,
Come on, yeah.
did you say a prayer before you eat this?
Get 2 whistler too.
I said no.
I like to bring them good people here, my good yard, you know. My good friend them.
Yeah, I never hungry. Sometimes we see some food and waste in the yard, they drop down. And our dog fence out. Yeah, if you throw your wife fence, the dog is in there.
Dog fence out.
We have 2 little friends down the road. Like the chicken no sell off a report.
Yeah.
They do so boom on my phone and I don't feel like calling. No walk with you and go give them a report on it. And I may tell Palton.
You never have
Up
no.
the road.
You don't do nothing stale.
No. I'm been pork man.
That's true, man.
Up to this man, me buy 20 pound of pork yesterday and this man, me say, chop. You say 20 pound and go work. Call the pork man and say, oi, want 10 pound more pork, me not no money. Me not to tell you, me not no money. He say, me send me 10 pound of pork. And he say, alright. 30 pound of pork from the pan. 14 chicken like out there. Son one side, so I go to 30. If you road good, me come in with 50 hours. You know, like the text, this text.
Elvis, I like some big.
We like your vices, Randy.
You have no juice, Elvis? Like, you have any juice, like syrup and water?
Juice?
Syrup and water?
You know, baby, syrup.
What that red thing there under the thing? What that?
Yeah, syrup.
A syrup, right? Yeah. Do you mind making me some syrup and water with some big ice tonight with a big cup? Ice not there.
See ice.
That fish.
This wash out like cashew bark and guinea hen.
What?
For asthma, good for asthma.
So me can take it when me a live. Me can.
This a cost me 1,500. You know what I drink?
Yeah, man.
Look how him feel nice now. Look a big belly boy.
One big belly, I'm one pack.
B. No, get on there.
Food and stuff for that, not eat, no.
Ask them now.
Like Yalawa. Yalawa go foreign back around there. Make it show enough.
Me tell you, look at that boy. Take off your shirt and go walk beach, boy.
Why girl have lambe? Me no never like it. Me no love it. We prefer bunny. You see?
No, we call lambe.
You must know.
Don't claim on lambe. Man, yo, me tell you. Hold on. Don't turn up here. Hold on. Listen me. You see, we don't look white, man.
Lambe.
No, listen. You see, we don't look white, man. On the tongue, half is stiff.
What?
What? Not straight, so we're not going to take.
What is it? What? What?
Hey, come on.
What? You have holiday today, no? You have to make a lot of money, you know. You have to, what you say, by time?
Don't have a stiff, man. Don't have a stiff. When they're joking, that's serious something, you know. They don't have a stiff, man. First thing I have to go down. Yeah.
Only not even roll me nothing.
Dominica
Yeah, Dominican.
Dominica wrote that.
When the Dominican they looking at if you lambe. That's what every time man, they just get raw. They no business.
The fish good man.
That's good, Randy. Boy, you know easy, you turn up on the island. Yo, Randy made Randy and I was like 2 weeks before me meet you, about a week later 2 weeks. About a week before me meet you, one woman said to me, say, you know, say they'll get this right, I said. But here all they want the chicken, but they like the chicken black. You know when the chicken like it, they burn it on the grill. That's what they like.
You love see some love when you red.
You saw for me chicken they look.
Brown is really sweet.
You know how the chicken look?
No, man.
Come this way.
So them boy you just smoke and eat and drink and just smoke weed. You see them? What them at work? You see them? I always have something I roll, you know.
Ah, that's talking people, you know? Oh, yeah.
Randy, show me one thing about the fire. But you see shine part of the fire.
Yeah.
I eat enough the more.
Okay.
Oh, so that's not part of it.
Yeah, they use the inside.
Yes, Randy, Sunday we're going to over. You can't get tomorrow Thursday.
Sunday we'll go Hanover. Pokey you go. Trusty?
Come on, Sunday evening.
Okay,
that's what- you just have to go work, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man.
The house want current and water and set up back and the bad cement when you cast the roof. So it drop off. Kind of the leak right so you want to fix.
People them need to know where you live. If you need help, them will send it.
I want to be rent out. I rent you out, but I give tenant if boy them notice tonight.
Them not sell no donkey around there so where you live. But them sell donkey. Santa Cruz Animal Farm.
Run things on the ground.
Yeah, man. One man want a mule and one man want a donkey. Patrick want a donkey. Patrick want a donkey.
One of them money off me already. I want pot of soup for you before I go that daytime. How can a white sitting that day in your ears?
Which one you want?
I don't know.
I want two of them.
One white sitting down in your ears.
Don't you know your ears.
Them a time when them a boy had a road long time. I done a plan for them already. And Frandy said that is it. Then show a partner with the money and buy back goods.
You see my talking of the future again?
Listen up, drive partner and get big money in their hand. They not get no pay. Partner you pay. Anything you draw for your partner if you want to give back nothing.
When you go vacation, when you go just go to the beach and relax. Pokey, never.
The river me want go jump off a long time.
Which river? Which river?
We can go a Cabita, we can go a rolling river, but we want to go a milk river bad. You water where you go
Milk
in
river.
and the heat.
And wait there.
Milk river. I'll be in a Canada now.
I mean, a breast problem and someone going to want and but drink to my water.
That's some lick you want.
Understand the husband.
Milk river.
Yep. Sorry then. Yeah man. Because they already a wolf for drive that you know?
Oi. If you can't milk river, I'll drive.
You left around 4 o'clock in the morning, dog.
At 4 hours at a time.
Not a 4. This is 2 and a half. You're around 3 hours.
That the river me want to go.
Close to 3 hours.
Any river me they go. That the river them they go sit down in.
Milk river.
Yeah. How much wisdom you get, friend?
4.
You give me one then. Give me one. You give your friend one.
Oh, and that bug that's
Your girlfriend African can hear so what you do?
Now, bug, now, weed bug in the man, and little boy.
Weed bag.
Now, weed bug, any bug that you weed, I hit the good friend.
One small
Seriously, apart this, so me take up a weed dog.
Yeah, man, I hit that bug in there.
No, nobody
Push
can
in there,
do
walk.
it.
Wait, through you that country and money talk and bullshit talk. Give me drunk. You can't drunk man, this is an everyday thing. This is an everyday thing. What mean they look for you?
Come Pokey bad.
Eh?
Where you get so much energy from?
You can't can't do it, you know. Me and miss everything.
Never slow down.
You know? Me can't bake, me can't cook. Me can't wash, me can't clean. Look on the floor, you see, and there are genie floor projects upon it. They use red. Not red, brush. Everybody first time brush them.
Yeah, you know what I dry coconut.
Alright.
Yes.
But Randy no remember them.
Running on there something. I vacuum in you, son.
Where's our vacuum Randy? Randy know your Spanish.
A super jet.
See there,
Oh, yeah, me used to make them things there.
Oh, you making?
Me make it.
Oh.
With the coconut roast. Oh, I'm too porky. You know, go Manchester and see me outside toilet. You must want me put your nose in me outside toilet.
Yo, man, them in the one room, Randy. God no.
Which one?
Hold up,
For your
Baba.
cousin there. For your family there.
Denny?
We went go around the bush and come back to the yard, man.
Yeah.
You see flowers them?
Baba Mata.
Mm-hmm.
And even suddenly me plant out the rest of flowers, Randy.
Yeah.
2-3 pot of flowers, me set right to the patterns, you know.
So look, I'm looking at your flowers plant.
See me, I want flowers then.
Upper care them.
Be responsible. Yeah.
It's alright. I bet you next year you want what me they want.
Yo, I first flowers them me plant when me see them not drop, no leaf, they not dead. I see them leaf when me carry them from up there, the
When
panel. See them there, one of them look around me yard. I
Alright,
saw
here
the
one.
rest of them plant out. Them the panel front, I saw them
Alright.
plant.
And the
Alright.
kitchen.
No leaf, Randy no drop. God no.
Yo.
See them,
Hey!
them catch.
Oi! You're set back so in a bucket way. Burn on you.
That's how when them come to perfection, they don't move yet.
We cut
No,
it
you
to
can't, when you come, you can't cut it. When you go, you can't cut it.
No man, I feel
They don't
like
come up
that.
at dog. I want to see them flowers that grow me around me yard.
Yeah, man.
When the tea flowers
That's
in
a
man.
nice fencing too, you know.
Me call him.
But how you know him?
He see me number and call me and me then get the card.
Mm-hmm.
So me call him back now and me say, oh, me see how you Prime Minister. You can't tell him please up for poor people on the roadside. Me say, you know, me don't talk to him, me don't talk to him.
So I'm see the show
He say, sure.
and call you.
Yeah. I have people that be showing about Randy and I'm taking market to them and they tell me, say, I'm here, I'm in the way.
You know what I mean? Yo, you know what I mean? I saw 2 o'clock, you know.
Yeah, tell the road. People like visit people, they must.
I saw 2 o'clock, you know.
Too much?
Soon 2 o'clock.
Okay, I will vibes, man. You ready, man. Talking hurry up, man. Okay, I go with the vibes.
No, that's enough. Oi. In no pain selling time.
Yeah, me I say.
I have 3.5 chicken on the grill. And me go with my third shot. What kind of my problem? And 2 hard beer boat. There are 10 chicken in it. I want 20 grand.
This was an amazing lunch.
So the thing in the middle of it, so.
You want to see super? You stand there with this, you know?
Yeah, drop it in there. But
That
that
is
whole
good
part
as a
there.
dog, get it by yourself.
Oh, I'm there by himself. Oh, so we see put that something out.
No, just have to fry fish and fry.
You need to start sell some Sky Juice.
Actually, you know, man,
Got it,
that's
sir,
what
that's
you want that brand.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's why you see me and say me we tell you come.
Wait till me
See
come
where
for.
you're up to.
Who me up to?
Because I want to send one, if reinforcement iron down there so we hold the igloo.
Yeah, I hold it firmer.
And because this too freezing.
Where
So
my
we
food
put
from?
one like flat iron. Me and the welder already.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So we want to put one like flat iron down there so. See? So we slide the igloo under there so.
Yeah.
See?
With the
You see
drinks.
this now? This they go carry one cylinder with a stove in it.
Okay.
So when you build in the stove in this, you can't fry anything else. To me, it better you have some more in the shop. I see shop too. Shop costs too much from government. Government want too much out of it. Only thing me want out of Jamaican Good Life, we have a good hustler against poverty. Somebody we can cook. But when me say, alright boy, me feel sick today now, so me now go on road, so me not line up, go on the road. You're supposed to carry in XYZ. See? I mean know the max when you can come. I mean know you have to give it, I mean I'll tell you what to give it, so I know. I mean know what it be, I mean know how it go. You can't give it chicken, but you can't give it pork. Because 3 pieces of pork, you can't give a man 5 pieces left to his sides. You can't give 4 with 2 pieces of bread. have to charge him for the breadfruit. Give him making go live. If he will pay $1,000 for the breadfruit, just give him making go and go live. Because the pork is going to make him come buy more. So now watch where you give him. You give him that's in return back to you. So we give forget. We lose, you know, but we now watch you lose is like a rich man. The rich man count every dollar. I know much of a pork, how much a pound.
5 o'clock, mega meet.
5 o'clock. We push boy.
You have to sell your thing.
Anyway, we go, me say, I want to hear that. Where you go, man? You can understand. I drive back here and you push a car.
Me? And them say them want push the cat now.
So me I drive you. You want me drive you?
And him say, them said, Brandy, we have to take over from here.
You want me drive you?
Anything, man. We are going down at the square, man. We go drive go with stop. We don't want to push it so far. So you say you want to put a metal on it, you have to go do that, man.
Flat iron.
Can it look weak?
Yes.
You know you go build it and make it look so weak, man.
Because a hurricane. I ain't just simple. You see, they have 12,000. Because one man takes 7,000 to build it up. I'm starting.
I'm poily.
I'm poily. The same time when you're there. And when you poily, me have to pay
Well, you never
man.
call Python for
Me have to hire
help.
truck for carry, because nothing can carry on the truck.
That's a boy shopping.
Because me put on the load pan he broke down.
Yeah, because
Never strong.
you need some
Boy,
strong,
tap them,
some
tap them
round
well.
pipe.
Yeah.
Some round pipe, right? For well the
Flat
thing.
iron.
Yeah.
Flat iron.
Flat
I
one.
even want to work. Me say me don't wait till they come. Because
I can't believe you, man.
yo, you truck, everybody love a truck.
Why you never
Me
call
have people,
Python?
Randy, you see if I'm a man to go be a me there.
Yeah.
Right now, me turning in my yard and sell off before me reach a road.
If a man take a be there?
You see if I'm in Kingston, me there. Right now, me turning in my yard and sell off before me reach a road. How people love me thing. Negro go on like yeah, but I know them. And the people them, nobody where you see working a nigga no come for a nigga.
90% out of.
Nobody where you see
90%
take
out.
bus where they in a hotel them up there they work there no come for a nigga.
90% of my out.
I know
90%.
where they come from. They come here and rent place and find work and stay. Because in them country they cannot get no job. So they have to come to Negro. Who turn jigaloo, find white woman, find white man, then go on a foreign. And then go back to them country, go build up them place. Oh, that me I tell you. Talk your mind. They can tie breast and wing, book and breadfruit chicken and bread.
Yeah.
Run that one there again. Run that one there again. We never hear. Run that one there again.
They can tie
Yeah.
breast and wing,
Uh-huh.
pork and breadfruit chicken and bread.
Man.
Talk your mind, festival and fish.
Eh.
Oh, that the on the menu today.
Oi.
Today is the how much?
5th, 6th.
Yeah, the 6th.
The 6th?
Yeah.
Hour.
They say Wednesday ash.
Master God,
Yeah.
they say a lens.
A lens.
That is what Pokey have for today.
Yeah.
Leg and time, breast and wing, pork and breadfruit, chicken and bread.
Oi.
Fish and festival.
Yo.
Don't it turn up to
Hey,
the bun
Pokey style. Pokey style. Master God. I want you. Work, where work?
Natural thing we deal with.
Work.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
And we love red still, you know.
So, watch
I
it.
said, God, when we're ready, I don't know Valentine here. My Valentine pork, me say yes for me.
Me not like red. Me not wear red.
I love red and pink.
Me not wear red or pink.
Mama God. Oh my God, don't mention the whites.
Can't afford the whites.
Me not wear none of them the color. Me not like any of the color there.
White, you don't like whites.
No,
Things
sir.
there. Alright. Can't take the
Nothing
whites.
red or pink.
You don't want the whites.
Red and pink are for me likes.
Oh. So it's already ready for roll out Pokey.
Master God, I'm going to work.
Maroon, you really are the real
I'm gonna look some money and break my partner want to chill.
Money.
You know how much I do for my partner today?
Don't tell out your business.
Master. Let me tell you.
If I find it, go.
That's something I get red.
You not say you love red? Now you say you love red? Yeah, red.
Red
Thank you for the marijuana, Bridget.
You go on.
And I'm making here. And I'm making.
Wash your clothes and hang them round the back, make them dry.
And the clothes.
Why you can't get cheap shot down the road, 200 and 300. You think two and it really expensive? Wow. Put on Randy shots them.
No, man.
Why problem?
Tell you why.
Wife you don't go quarry?
No, no, wife, yeah. You have to maintain it. You have to work.
Yeah, work, see me. You can't manage you know. You know what I mean? It's not working people making it happen.
Randy, see cat that I
Cat,
See
work
cat,
the
go on.
cat. No,
Oi!
work.
I think I'll people don't.
What is man?
No.
I'm here push up there.
Film it. Make trust it.
I'm looking at an idea. I don't know what happened.
Look on time, wrestling pork and breadfruit. And bread.
Go for it and be there, yeah.
What are you doing for?
No, man. That's me say no, man. Remove your bucket, we're gonna go back up there. Let's turn off and come back now, man. Right up our white cat, right for a white cat. But they can't back up this up. Let's turn and come back.
Hold it up.
This is my friend, man. Oh my God,
Outer road.
Okay.
Just pull it. Park one side, yeah.
Hey, no, you can't wear this, man. This is a Jamaica Good Life brand. Take that off your head. No, you can't do that.
Hey, brother, what's up? All right. No. Come look for them one. Let me tell them to come look for them.